Hi and welcome to a new video. Clearing your device's cache on a regular basis is a quick and easy way to save up on storage and store more important files. In this video, I will show you several tips on how you can get rid of cache files on your iPhone. Let's go! Cache refers to the temporary file saved on your device to speed up browsers and apps' user experience. This can be anything from a single image to a large collection of session data that is accumulated for every app usage. Keep in mind that you need to routinely clear up these junk files to prevent a buildup of unnecessary clutter. To start, open Settings, scroll down to Safari, and then click on Clear History and Website Data to clear your browser cache. Then, scroll down to the Advanced menu and go to Website Data. Here you'll see a running tally of all the websites you visited along with their corresponding data size. To free up as much space as possible, click on Remove All Website Data, or use Edit in the upper right to selectively delete data from sites that are particularly storage hungry. Also, don't forget to clear the cache on apps, especially those you often use. Some programs such as Snapchat provide a handy built-in feature that clears the app's cache anytime you want. Make sure to check other apps as well to see if similar function is available. However, for applications that don't have that, the only way to clear their cache is to reinstall them. Reinstalling can be helpful because it restores to most recent version and deletes all of its cache data, thus saving you a bit of storage. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.